Change is a constant part of every organization. Businesses regularly adapt to new technologies, processes, customer expectations, and market demands. However, implementing change successfully requires more than simply introducing new systems or policies. Organizations must also help employees understand, accept, and adapt to those changes effectively. This is where the change management process becomes important. In this video, we'll explore the 5 key steps in the change management process and understand how organizations use them to manage change more successfully. The first step in the change management process is identifying why change is necessary. Organizations may introduce change to improve efficiency, solve business problems, adapt to new technologies, or respond to market changes. At this stage, organizations carefully analyze existing challenges and determine what improvements are required. Clearly, identifying the purpose of change helps create direction and supports better decision-making throughout the process. Once the need for change is identified, the next step is developing a clear strategy. This involves creating a structured plan that outlines change objectives, timelines, resources, responsibilities, communication methods. A well-defined strategy helps organizations manage change more effectively while reducing confusion and uncertainty among employees. Communication is one of the most important parts of successful change management. Employees need to understand what changes are happening, why they are necessary, and how the changes may affect their roles or responsibilities. Poor communication often leads to resistance, confusion, and reduced employee engagement. This is why organizations must provide regular updates, answer employee concerns, and encourage open communication throughout the transition process. The fourth step is implementing the change itself. This is where organizations introduce new systems, processes, technologies, or operational improvements. During implementation, organizations often provide employee training, leadership support, technical guidance, performance monitoring. The goal is to help employees adapt smoothly while minimizing disruptions to daily operations. The final step is reviewing and reinforcing the change after implementation. Organizations evaluate whether the changes achieved the expected results and identify any areas that still need improvement. At this stage, businesses also reinforce new behaviors and processes to ensure employees do not return to old working methods. Continuous monitoring and employee support help organizations maintain long-term success after the transition is complete. Benefits of following a change management process. A structured change management process provides several important benefits for organizations. It improves communication, reduces employee resistance, supports smoother transitions, and helps organizations manage uncertainty more effectively. Most importantly, it increases the chances of successful organizational transformation while maintaining productivity and operational stability. Managing change successfully requires planning, communication, employee support, and continuous improvement. By following these 5 key steps, organizations can reduce resistance, improve adaptation, and implement change more effectively across the workplace. A structured change management process not only supports smoother transitions, but also helps organizations achieve long-term business success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more project management and change management insights.